The ocean!
The ocean covers around 70% of Earth's surface and plays a very important role. Let's find out a little more about it.
What is the ocean?
The ocean is the name given to the large body of water that covers most of planet Earth's surface. More than half of life on Earth lives in the ocean.
How many oceans are there?
There is technically just one ocean, known as the World Ocean, but it's divided into 5 different areas. The different areas of the ocean are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern or Antarctic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean.
How deep is the ocean?
The depth of the ocean varies. The average ocean depth is 3,682 meters, but its deepest point is in the Pacific Ocean. This place is called Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench and is approximately 10,935 meters deep. The depths of the ocean are organized into zones. The sunlight zone is the area from the surface to 200 meters deep. Here is where the most visible light exists. It is where most of the marine life that we are familiar with lives, including things like plankton, corals, sharks, and other fish. The Twilight zone extends from 200 meters to 1,000 meters depth. Here, it is difficult to see clearly because very little sunlight reaches these depths. Due to the low light, the eyes of fish tend to be much larger and some creatures show bioluminescence. The midnight zone extends from 1,000 meters to 4,000 meters depth. Here, it is completely dark, with the only light being provided by the bioluminescence of the creatures that call this zone home. The anglerfish is one animal that can be found in this zone. The abyssal zone extends from 4,000 meters to 6,000 meters depth. It is pitch black, and the temperature is close to freezing. For this reason, very few creatures can be found at these depths. There are types of sharks, rays, octopuses, snails, crustaceans, and other fish that can live at these depths. Many feed on the carcasses of sea creatures that have died and sunk to the ocean floor. The final zone is the oceanic trenches that can extend to depths of 10,935 meters. The extreme pressure here would crush most creatures. A snailfish was recorded at 8,145 meters deep in the Mariana Trench.
Why is the ocean important?
The ocean provides a home for a wide variety of plants and animals, many of which are unique and cannot be found anywhere else. It also plays a crucial role in controlling the Earth's climate by absorbing heat and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The ocean is vital for the global water cycle, helping to distribute water around the world through processes like evaporation and precipitation. Finally, The ocean also supports industries such as fishing, shipping, and tourism, which are important for people around the world.
What creatures live in the ocean?
The ocean is teeming with many different creatures, ranging from tiny plankton to massive whales. Some common creatures found in the ocean include fish like cod, tuna, and clownfish, as well as mammals such as dolphins, seals, and sea otters. There are also marine reptiles like sea turtles, and a wide variety of invertebrates including jellyfish, octopuses, and coral reefs. The ocean also supports species of birds like gulls and penguins that rely on it for food and habitat. The largest creature in the sea is the blue whale, which can grow up to lengths of 30 meters long. The fastest creature in the sea is the sailfish, which can reach speeds of 110 kilometers per hour. The oldest creature in the sea is the glass sponge, with the oldest living example being a reef in Canada that is around 9,000 years old. The seabird with the largest wingspan is the wandering albatross, which can measure 3.5 meters from wingtip to wingtip. The ocean supports an incredible diversity of life. We must do everything we can to protect it.
What can we do to protect the ocean?
We can reduce our use of single-use plastics, such as plastic bags, which often end up in the ocean and harm marine life. We can choose to only eat seafood that is caught or farmed in environmentally friendly and sustainable ways. We can help reduce pollution by properly disposing of waste and maybe even join in with beach cleanups. It's also important to raise awareness about the importance of the ocean and encourage others to take action to protect it. You can do this by getting involved in events such as World Ocean Day. We hope you enjoyed learning about the ocean. Who wants to go next?
Fair.